Hi, how you guys doing today? Today on To Taste, we're going to make chili. Bootleg chili. We had a request, and this is what we're going to do. So we got the pan nice and hot, and we put 2 tablespoons of butter. You can see that butter looks really good. We have 1 cup of chopped onion, regular yellow onion. We're going to get that in, because we want to saute that till it's tender. 1/2 cup of chopped green pepper. We chopped it a little bit smaller. This will incorporate. And today we're going to use 2 pounds of ground turkey, not beef. That's why we're calling it bootleg chili. And you want to get the lean, the 93%, 7% fat. This way, when you cook it with turkey, you don't have to drain it off. So we're going to get our onions and peppers going here. Now, the request was for chili with a lot of hot sauce, but I think the hot sauce should actually be put on the side, and you can put as much as you want in your own, because if you're sharing it with someone and they can't tolerate, hot stuff, they'll be drinking gallons of water. But we are going to kick it up a little bit. We're actually going to put one of these little chili peppers. This stuff is really, really hot. And you don't want to touch it while you're cutting it. So if you can wear gloves, fine. If not, what I do is I hold it by the stem. I actually lost it. I have to get another one. I actually grew them in my garden, and I froze them. And they're really hot. I tasted one by itself, and I actually burned my lip. I had a blister. I'm trying to find a nice one. Yeah, we can go with the red one. And just a small green one. 2 of them. This will be really nice. And they were already washed. So what I do is always have a kitchen scissors that you only use for kitchen purposes. I will cut it into the onions. And we are going to use the seeds because that's where the heat comes from too. If you do happen to get some of the juice on your fingers, please keep your fingers away from your eyes. Once you get the stuff in your eyes, it is so hard to get out. Now these red ones will be hot but sweet too. Okay, that's enough of that. I tried these peppers one time. I took a bite. Big mistake. Big mistake. Had a blister on my lip for 3 days. And I can smell that hot pepper cooking already. It's smelling really good. Then what we use is 14 ounces of petite diced tomatoes, 2 cans, 8 ounces each, of tomato sauce. And I do use chili packages because everything you need is in the chili pack, and it's really good stuff. So I'm going to use mild chili and half of the hot chili, because we already got those 2 little hot peppers in there. You don't want to over spice it, because you could always add, but you can't take away once you put it in. I think we're going to have to do this chili recipe in 3 sections. The preparing, and then we have to wait till the turkey cooks, which takes about 15-20 minutes because there'll be 2 pounds of it in the pan. And then we'll come back and we'll show you, we'll add everything up, put everything in the recipe, the tomato sauce and the mixes and stuff. And then we'll cover it, and between 20 minutes and 30 minutes is how long we're going to cook it. and then we'll come back and we'll show you the finished product. God, that smells good. Now you could use a little bit of oil. 2 tablespoons of oil is fine, 2 tablespoons of margarine. I just happen to have butter. I like butter. Butter gives everything a nice flavor. So, get turkey. And we have a GB over here. Garbage bag. Much easier. Don't have to clean it out. Everything goes in the garbage bag. And it's free when you buy your groceries. And now we're going to break up the turkey. But you can use, of course, 2 pounds of ground beef. Buy the extra lean. And you may have to drain off a little bit of the fat, which is fine. A lot of people like beef. Turkey picks up flavors really nice. And today, I took a walk this morning. It was only 14 degrees, so it's a chilly making day. Switch. And you can see that the turkey's starting to cook. So, we're going to let the turkey cook, and we'll come back in about 15-20 minutes and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll add all the other ingredients. See you in about 20 minutes.